Hello everybody, this is Shrikant, GitHub. So today I'm gonna talk about GitHub.com. Normally, most of the cases you heard this word Git, GitHub, Git CLI, or version control system. It is mostly related to developers, software developers. It is by which we can create multiple versions of our software in multiple stages. Mostly, and you should learn a Git. Git is also very well helpful tool, but as GitHub is something similar to social media or an archive, something mix up of Drive, Google Drive and Microsoft 365 and other things like social media. Three things mixed up for a software developer most of the time. So how would you start using a GitHub? Most of the time you just have to go to github.com and they will ask you to create a website or account of github.com. You can sign up using their SSO or filling up the information up in the form, and after signing up you will see something similar to this. You will not gonna see repositories here. So I will firstly show for a mobile user. So as of now, as you can see, there are repositories. What are the repositories? They are like folder. Just consider them as a folder on like a file manager, just like a file manager on your operating system. So for creating a new folder or repository on this website, you have to click here, then add here, and at here you may be seeing the profile of your profile bio, your link, your overview, something like that. Click repositories. There is a difference in project at here. Here on github.com, the projects word is used for a to-do list type notebooks, and repositories are folders. So you have to just create a new folder if you wanted. At it you can create a folder, then give a name to a folder like something, and if any decision needed, it's not mandatory, it's just optional as it is written at here. And choose public or private. Public means all the world, anybody in the world can see this website, whoever have an URL of your repository. But in private means only you can see the folder and folder in its contents. As of now, I'm gonna click public. After that, there is a readme file. Most of the cases it is a file introducing about your folder, just like you just go to a website and you are introduced by their bio, just like that. For a folder, it's introduction about it, a dashboard like so. And there is a git ignore file, you don't have to worry about it that much. And there is license file. If you are creating some projects, you have to use a license. Most of the cases you will see bunch of licenses and you can't understand which should we choose. As of now you are just learning, so just click MIT license or any other license. There are some rules about licenses, I will talk about it. And click the create repositories button. As you can see, it will create a repository with two files, a readme file and license file, as I already created in past. So as of now, and if I want to change some data, I can go into settings and scroll down, and at here I can rename the file. Renamed. Rename is done. As you can see, you just ignore all other options as for now, but go to just settings of your repository. Settings of repository. Okay, a folder. And scroll down. You can change the visibility from public to private. You can transfer the ownership of repository to another person, or archive this repository, just like a library. And delete. At here, delete. If you want to delete some repository, you have to write down the repository name again and paste it here and click delete repository. And in just few seconds your repository is deleted. If you want to create an again with nothing is selected as a person, but here in repository and click new. At here I'm gonna create a file something named as something, and not gonna click anything like readme.git, no, choose license, and just create a repository. And if you just created files like this, you see what the hell is this. You say what the hell is this, how can I create a file at here? I have to just create a code, and if this that for mobile version it will continue here. Click that, create a new file, and you can add some file the txt, commit a new file. By the way, all the codes in previous tab that was for a CLI of Git, but as of now I am talking only about the github.com user section, one after another. So after creating a website, if you wanted to add more files or create more files, you have to create at here and at here. There is no plus option anywhere else. Okay, other file. I'm not gonna give txt extension as of now. Okay, this is created normally. So there is a readme file. I'm not gonna talk about it also. And I'm just gonna go into settings again and delete this repository again. Why? Just gonna show something to you. As of now, you all saw this for a mobile version. I'm gonna create same thing for our desktop version. So if you are going this website on a desktop, you will see something page like this. As of now, you can directly click at here for a new repository or something similar to that. Your profile or repository. At here also a new repository option button, as you can see at here. or add here new repository. Okay, all does the same thing. Same new file. If you use spaces, it will change to minus, as because there it gonna be an URL, and URL does not have any spaces, so it just changes spaces to minus or hyphen symbol. And I'm just gonna create a blank file for a computer like this. Just create a new file and go down and commit new file. And if you want to if you want to add some files, there is no 3 dot buttons, but at here add file, create new file, or add file, upload files. And you just drag and drop your file manager files into at here, or one after another, and commit them. Simple. This is how you can start using GitHub for absolutely beginners. And goodbye.